Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, over the last 15 years, we've tested 64 different trading courses and we have put the most powerful systems and trading techniques that we've discovered in this brand new trading course. And for a limited time, I'm giving away free access. So go to johnsfreegift.com. That's johnsfreegift.com or click on the very first link in the description to get free access to this brand new trading course right now. All right, hey traders, just a quick little update on silver and gold and also just a quick little update on the stock market. Let's actually start with the stock market first. So I did a video yesterday saying that I'm expecting more upside to come out of the stock market, out of the Dow Jones, and actually we had quite a nice little update today. Don't be too surprised if we do get a bit more follow through after this, but then don't be too surprised that we start, what's the word, peter out? Where did that word come from anyway? Leave a comment below. Where did that word come from? Peter out. Anyway, so I did a video yesterday saying that we're in this bit of a channel here and we're starting to rise and etc, etc. And the Dow Jones starting to rise as well too, okay? So, and it looks like that we're probably heading towards the top of this channel where we are right now in the Dow Jones. So we probably have a bit more upside to come, but it's going to be really interesting to see what actually happens from there with the Dow Jones. So, this is really interesting to see. I believe we're creating one last blow off top before we start to see it, before we start to form the top and then create a bit of a downturn from there. But that the downturn might not even start until like late next year. And what I mean by that is that it may take that long for it to form the top and then start the bear market, especially when you start to look at these weekly charts. As you can see, right, it takes time for these charts to do what they're going to do. So that's what I want to share with you on there. Now, obviously the title of this video is right. This will surprise a lot of people, and that is going on looking at silver price. If you have a look at the silver price, right, silver price has pretty much been doing nothing for the last sort of couple of 1, 2, 3, 4 years. But if you have a look at this weekly chart, look at this here. You've got a very, 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 very valid trend line coming down through here, right? As you can see, right. So all the resistance all through there as well too, and coming down through there. We possibly could even have, maybe even something going on. So we have that through there. And we could possibly even have something going on through here as well too, right? So, but either, you can see how both of these trend lines on this weekly chart, all down through there, you've got all this resistance point through here. All right, so this resistance here. Look at all the resistance points through here on the second trend line, all the resistance through there, and same through there as well too. So both these trend lines coming into play are really, really interesting. Now, if I bring up a Fibonacci from low to high, you can see we're right at that smack at that 50 to 62% level. This is key because if I go back to my daily chart, even if we do get a bit more follow through, guess what's going to come into play right here? The 60%, and plus, guess what this is right here? This is the major support level. So even if we do start to get a bit of a follow through on the downside, I believe it's likely to be very, 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 very short-lived. And the same for the gold price as well too. If we look at the gold price, we can actually see that's more like horizontal, right? So we have a lot of resistance going on through there. We definitely have a trend line coming up through here somewhere. So we have this resistance going on through here, right? So this is all the resistance point, maybe in a bit lower than that, maybe probably even down through there. So as you can see, right, we're starting to get through there. Fibonacci levels are based on this low to high point. So isn't that interesting? That 50 to 62% level. So if we start to get a bit more of a follow through on the downside, it's probably likely to be very, very, very short-lived. Even if we did start to do something like this, then I believe we'll probably like to do that if it does come back down. This is about a bit of a short rally, and then bam, probably that'll be the energy that the buyers need to really, really kick it in. So that's why I say this will surprise a lot of people, is that if we do start to rally back down, especially on that silver market, when you start to see this here, right? Like if we start to go down, probably a lot of people will be getting out of their longs. And a lot of people be getting short based on, oh my goodness, the market's stopping out and so on and so forth. But if you look at this weekly chart, I wouldn't be too quite sure. Even if they get a bit more of a drop through, I believe that the market's likely to find a bit of support here and then rally out. Now, we're talking about a weekly chart here, guys. So the weekly chart it takes time, right? So we may go down for a couple of weeks, hold support, and so on and so forth. So there's the stock market, guys. Pretty much a lot more upside to come. And then also the silver and gold market. moving on through to there as well too. Just a quick little update on my own personal trading, guys. I actually went to get into a trade today, and I was feeling like, and I knew I was starting to I wanted to be trading. I wanted to be active. I wanted to keep trading, and I had to stop myself, and I said, you know what? I'm about to get into a trade that is not exactly what I like to see in a really, really good setup. So therefore, I cannot get into this trade right now. I cannot do this right now, and so therefore, I stopped myself. So if you are when you trade in the markets, if you start to get this feeling like you're starting to overtrade, if you start to get this feeling like you want to get in, like that sort of stuff, then you're over trading. Sometimes it's best, like I did today. I said, you know what? I'm actually in a couple of trades right now. I'm in 2 trades right now, and they're doing really well. Well, one's break even, and another one is up about 30-40% so far. So we'll see how those plan out overall, but they're probably likely to probably both of these trades are likely to generate a profit. But I went to get into another trade because I'm just like, I want to be active, right? I want to get in, and that's the problem we have. The biggest problem as an active trader is you want to be active. And I know that sounds sort of contradicting to itself, but being very active, getting in and getting out really, really quickly in these positions is not a really good way to go. Waiting for good setups, getting in, being patient in that trade as well too, is probably some of the biggest things you can do. So patience, waiting for a good trade. And then when you're getting into it, sometimes when you get into a trade, sometimes it doesn't do much for a little while, maybe for a couple of days, or for me, for like trading a daily chart, or a couple of bars if you're trading a 2-minute chart or 1-minute chart or whatever. But sometimes you just need to be a bit patient, but also having your maximum risk where you're willing to get out for your maximum exit for that there. So just wanted to share that with you there, guys, and I hope it helps you out. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go to that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.